guys, to another beautiful day here in Okinawa, Japan. It's fantastic. So today I'm actually going to go to, so I can try to get some stuff for the Skyline. And one of my buddies, I'm sure you know him, Jake Key, or Intro Vertical on Instagram. He has a sweet S14. He wants me to try to see what kind of seats they have available. So that's what I'm going to do today. Alright, made it to the Upgarage. Now I'm just gonna see what they have and get what I need. Seems like they have everything. A bunch of tires, some wheels. Those wheels are sick. Oh, look at those launch halves. That's so dope. Man, what I would do for some of these. All the car audio stuff. Oh, steering wheels. Okay. I really like my front bumper, but they have this R33 front bumper, and I think I might have to buy that. So I'm back from Upgarage. Well, actually, it's been a couple days. I was waiting for another part so I could install all the stuff I got with that part, but it's whatever. I am just going to put them all in, and I'll show you guys what I got, because it's all pretty awesome. Really cool Japanese stuff, which I think you guys might like. Who knows? So a couple of things I got. A rod form mirror, or whatever it's called, big wide mirror. I don't know, it's a rearview mirror that will replace my stock rear mirror. Be a bit more field of view from the rear. Then, you already know, white city color, and I got white because the new steering wheel I'm getting is going to be white, so hopefully it'll kind of match a little bit. Then, rear reverse lights, because I got to replace those. Like I said before, I failed the safety inspection, so I have to replace that. those first installs were pretty easy, but now it's time to get to the real nitty gritty, which is replacing the rear reverse light bulbs. And it's going to be a little different because on my Z, there's no interior. But here I gotta remove all the carpeting and the plastics and take them off. It's gonna be a process, but that's all right. That's all right because it is something that I actually need to do. The rest of this stuff, the mirror, the interior, the Surikawa, none of that's really important. The thing is, I need to make the car as street legal as possible. So that's what I'm doing now. So in the back of the Skyline, they have these like little plastic screws and whatnot. I gotta take these off, and they're on the same side, or the same thing on each side, and then I can actually get to the reverse bulbs. That's basically it for this video. But in terms of the giveaway, I actually made a terrible mistake, and the stickers that I ordered are way too small, like this big, and it's okay. Everyone that's already bought stickers, don't worry, I'm gonna send you yours. I'm probably gonna send you that one too. So the smaller ones, and then obviously the larger decal types, I'm gonna send them to you. And thank you everyone who's actually bought stickers so far. I'm really excited to give away the steering wheel. I hope whoever wins enjoys it. Yeah. I'm still waiting on my other steering wheel, the one that I'm actually going to run in my car, and that one is awesome. So I already kind of gave away a hint, because the Surikawa that I bought is white. My steering wheel is of course going to be white, because I do enjoy white steering wheels. But it's like custom, like 100%, like no one else has this wheel, and it's going to be awesome. So with that, if you're not subscribed, can you please subscribe? If you like the video, give it a like, leave a comment. I like responding to you guys. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, and you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.